Welcome back, everyone. I'm going to show you the finished work on the abused Toyota Tacoma. If you have an abused vehicle and you want someone who cares about your vehicle, then we're your shop. Jude just looked at a 20,000 mile Honda Pilot for a used pre-owned vehicle inspection. Make sure it was in good shape. Buzz, how about that? 20,000 mile Honda from a Honda dealer. Didn't need any work, not even an air filter. So there are some cars in really good condition out here. I'm setting the lift down. The table is now done. This is the lift I have to fix because somebody drove over this and destroyed it, and now I have to fix it because I pulled up on it with an F350 and snapped them right off. I didn't drive off of it. I snapped them right off. We're not going to get too picky here, so I'm just going to show you what we did here. We plated over the existing frame that wasn't completely rotted out in these boxes. And I was able to weld to the existing material. That tells you that there's still good iron content in this metal. And then you see the blobs. That's me burning through and spot welding, excuse me, the existing patches to the frame there, making it even stronger. And then same thing under here, a couple spots, burn through, get adhesion to that. Same thing up there, that plate, burn through. And then this really wasn't a problem necessarily. This was just blistering on the frame. See, there's two layers in this area. So the outer layer had a little blistering. I wasn't concerned with spotting in anything. Blaze that in, paint it over, it's all good. We're not worried about what it looks like, right? If I was worried about, I mean, there's other areas that would need attention to make it look really good. And I mean, this is factory welds. Factory welds right here, all right? So when people cry and say, oh, your welds look like shit, this is all OEM weld. Nobody's been in here repairing that. It's all OEM weld. Look, too cold, too cold, too cold, but it was good enough for manufacturing. So when people bitch about our welds and talk shit, this is factory welds. Look.
Yeah, not very nice. See?
And then hold on, I'm not done. And then look over here. Too cold, but it works. Too cold. Look, it's colder. Ship it. And Toyota was putting out high quality vehicles back then.
Yeah.
You know?
Looks good. Looks good.
Good enough for used car recondition work.
It's good enough for me.
It's not. It doesn't have to be perfect. The guy, you know, didn't do such a great job. I would have actually insulated that a little bit better, so it's not rubbing on the top of the frame and rubbing on other lines.
You didn't do it.
It wasn't me, so.
It's okay.
And then I even welded the factory hanger back onto the repair. Signed, sealed, delivered. This truck's good for another 100,000 miles or more. Thanks for watching.